Today's review is a bit of a different one. Once again, we haven't got anything in front of me, and it's because I'm wearing it again. So this is a t-shirt from a company called Tuonroad. Unfortunately, I've never heard of them before, but they do some good designs. So with this one, as you can see, it's quite nice. It's also got exactly the same on the back as well. The quality of it is really good. So this is the size large. For me, I'm usually a medium, so I ordered the next size up just because of the sort of sizes that they gave. With the item itself, it is a really good really good t-shirt. It's short sleeved as well, so that's really good. However, the material it's made out of is quite thick, so I can already feel myself getting quite hot. It's also got like a neoprene material just underneath. That means it's very stretchy, but it does get very hot very quickly. However, I would use this item to go out and about. I'd use it on nights out, that sort of thing, because it is a great item, you know. So it definitely makes it pop, and you're not going to be missed with this one, are you? So if you want a great t-shirt, go and get this one.